Can Friday khutbah be used in the local language, or is this makruh?
It's an excellent question, very relevant question actually, and the majority of our texts, for some reason, unfortunately, and most of maybe our scholars, contemporary scholars, they say that it has to be in Arabic language. Okay, but in my own understanding, it has to be in the language that people understand. Because what's the meaning of khutbah? Khutbah is coming from the literal Arabic meaning of khataba yukhatibu, speaking, addressing. Okay, so khutbah should be different to dancing. Khutbah should be different to, you can say, singing. Okay, so khutbah is when you speak, address a speech to the people. So when you speak like Arabic, you can say khutbah, Arabic you can say recitation for half an hour to the English or, for example, Persian or Turkish audience. Will they understand anything? They will not. Means you are not doing khutbah, you are not addressing a speech. Okay, so that's like initially. Okay, but anyway, Abu Hanifa says that validity of the khutbah, it could be very short one. Okay, so just saying Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, Salatu Wassalamu ala Rasulillah, and Assalamu alaikum. So you spoke. Okay, so I say, even if you insist to follow the contemporary, you can say, scholars, majority of the contemporary scholars, so as soon as Khatib claims the stairs and says Alhamdulillah, As-salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah, Amma ba'd, Assalamu alaikum, I say khutbah, according to the Arabic, khutbah is perfectly performed. Now you can speak in your own language so people can understand. Okay, so, and khutbah, as you know, is performed in Jummah or in the weddings, nikah ceremonies. So it is the gatherings which normally happens very rarely, not every day. For example, Jummah khutbah happens once a week. For example, wedding may happen maybe once a month or once or 2 months, you know. So the Imam and the Khatib, they have to use this golden, you can say, chance of educating the people, okay, explaining, clarifying what Islam is about. So, and God gives you only one chance a week, and even that one you just wasted by speaking in the language that no one in the audience understands. So what are you doing in there? Okay, so isn't it that people are paying you a salary so you can educate them? So what are you doing in there, you know? So anyway, even if we go with the opinion which says that it has to be in Arabic, so Abu Hanifa said, Alhamdulillah, As-salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah, Amma ba'd, Assalamu alaikum. Khutbah in Arabic is perfectly performed. Now, educate them in your own language.